Welcome to Trending Motor Vibes, your one-stop destination for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we dive into the world of modern modifications with the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift, a car that's been transformed into a stunning masterpiece of design, performance, and technology. The 2025 Swift boasts an upgraded exterior, featuring a custom aerodynamic body kit with sleek front and rear bumpers, side skirts, and a bold rear spoiler for enhanced stability at higher speeds. The LED matrix headlights and taillights have been revamped to offer a sharper, more futuristic appearance. Sitting on 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels wrapped in low-profile performance tires, this modified Swift exudes both style and functionality. Under the hood, the traditional powertrain has been swapped for a high-performance 1.5 litres turbocharged engine, capable of delivering a jaw-dropping 150 horsepower. The engine is paired with a remapped ECU, ensuring optimized performance and fuel efficiency. An upgraded suspension system, including coilovers, provides a lower stance and superior handling. A high-flow air intake system and a custom stainless steel exhaust give the car a throaty roar and enhanced airflow dynamics. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious cabin that merges comfort and tech seamlessly. Premium Alcantara upholstery lines the seats and door panels, while ambient lighting elevates the driving experience. The centerpiece of the interior is the state-of-the-art 12.5-inch Infotainment system, fully integrated with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. A custom digital driver's display keeps all essential data within easy reach, and a wireless charging dock ensures your gadgets stay powered. Safety has also been prioritized, with advanced features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera. The Swift's modified braking system, featuring ventilated discs and upgraded calipers, ensures precision stopping power. This modernized 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift is a testament to what's possible with creativity and engineering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trending Motor Vibes for more exciting content. Stay tuned for the latest updates and let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible transformation.